Hey guys, Stephanie again. I want to talk to you today about video marketing and why video marketing is so important. I've done Periscope Live now, and I've also done Facebook Live, and there is a tool where you can actually go inside of both Periscope and you can also go into Facebook Live and you can find out who's live around the world. And it's amazing to me to learn what weird things people are talking about when they go to the live section. I've heard boys that are ranting and raving about their girlfriends and their homies. I've seen people that are on there just jamming and not really saying anything and just simply jamming and dancing to the music. I've seen video lives of kids with parents with their children watching them dance. I've seen all kinds of things on a live, both on Facebook and Periscope. My question to you is, why not use the Facebook Live, the Periscope Live, and now YouTube Live? Why not use those as a marketing tool? If you're really honest, if you watch those people that you probably follow, a lot of them are using Facebook Live and YouTube Live and Periscope to market their business. Now, you got to ask yourself a question: why are they doing that? Why is it so important to use video? Well, the truth be told is that most people like to watch video. More people will watch your face live than will actually read your text inside a comment box. So you got to go live and you got to make a video, even if it's a recorded video, to get your message out. I've actually created a whole website defined on teaching you how to market your business with YouTube marketing, and I've left the link in the above and around this video. But I've created a whole website. It includes probably about 24 videos on how to market your business using YouTube. Guys, it's almost a must tool in your arsenal. The next thing is, I get questions all the time about comments, not really questions, but comments about Facebook. Is it a social site or is it a business marketing site? Well, when it was created quite a few years ago, and I was around when they first launched it, I thought, what the heck is this Facebook thing? And I never thought I would use it for anything. Now I'm on it all day long, every single day. But most of my friends here locally think that Facebook is just a social site, places where parents share their kids' activities and parents share what they're doing and friends give each other a hard time. And boy, right now, isn't it the greatest time in the world to be on Facebook, because everybody has some comment about the political scene. Are you going to vote for Hillary? Are you going to vote for Trump? Are you going to vote for neither? I mean, that's a big thing now. But for those of you who are like me, who are entrepreneurs, you really need to use videos for marketing. Now, if you're an entrepreneur like me, you want to be able to market your business anywhere. I talked to someone just this morning who's just recently joined my team, and the reason she's joined is because she's decided she wants that laptop lifestyle. You see, she owns a construction business. Hey, Billy, thanks for joining me. She owns a construction business, and she's quite successful with it, but she wants to do something different. She wants to have that freedom to go to do whatever she wants to do, whenever she wants to do it, wherever she wants to do it. Well, being an entrepreneur and making money from home, you can do that. You can take your laptop anywhere. But whatever product you have, you're not going to make any money with it until you get what I call eyeballs on your stuff. And doing videos helps you do that. And I want to remind you, as Billy will, who's on this call with me today, to remind you that whatever you're promoting, you're branding yourself. And you have to brand you, not the product you're marketing. What if you're just marketing your product and that product folds? It's happened to me more than once. You want to brand yourself, because people buy from people who they know, like, and trust. So do people know, like, and trust you? Well, believe it or not, by doing these silly little videos, whether it's Facebook Live or even a recorded YouTube video, people will see you, and if they see an email from you, they feel like you're their best friends, even though you've never met. The reason? Because they see you. They hear your voice. They hear the sincerity in what you're doing. So I'm going to close this out today because I'm out and about today and I need to finish my errands. But I have left a link. If you don't know anything about, you're right, Billy, they don't buy products, they buy you. You're absolutely correct. And the you present is very, very important. And you need to get your face out there. So if you're brand new to marketing, like another client I talked to this morning who doesn't even have a clue how to start to make a video, I have created a whole website with about 24 videos on it, teaching you how to do videos, how to research products, how to do reviews, how to do comments, how to set up your YouTube channel, how to do your YouTube, making sure it's SEO, and how to market. So, guys, it's really, really important. I want you to go ahead and check out the website, especially if you're brand new to marketing. If you're like Billy and Collie Morgan Hunt, who's on the call with me, thank you very much, who are experienced with it, I would appreciate your comments below and tell me why you think and why you agree with me that video marketing is so important. Thanks, guys, for joining me. I got to finish running some errands. I'll check you on the next one, and let's go do some videos, and let's go make some videos live. Talk to you guys later, and I appreciate all the likes. You guys rock.